Good evening, students. Welcome to today's class. Today we will discuss program instructions. Today we will cover meaning of program instructions, purpose of program instructions, characteristics of program instructions, types of program instruction, linear program, characteristics of linear program, scope of linear program. Learning objective of our today lecture. After studying this content, a student will be able to understand the meaning of program learning, or we can say program instruction, know the characteristics of program instructions, familiarize with the fundamentals of program instructions. These are our instructional objectives. Introduction of program instruction. The first teaching machine was invented, invented by L. Percy in 1920. Skinner in the 1950 introduced a concept of teaching machine that defined different from Percy in some way. The teaching machine is composed of mainly a program, which is a system of combined teaching and test items that carries the student gradually through the material to be learned. Now we will discuss meaning and definition of program instruction. B.F. Skinner has defined this concept as the science of learning and art of learning. It is termed as instructional technology, which is based on psychological principle of learning. Definition of program instruction. Program instruction is the process of arranging the material to be learned into a series of sequential steps. Usually, it moves the student from a familiar background into a complex and new set of concepts, principle, and understanding. According to Smith and Morey, 1962. Program instruction is a method of designing a recipe reproducible sequence of instructional event to produce a measurable and consist efforts on the behavior or of every acceptable student. Susan Markley, 1969. According to Jordan, a program instruction is a method of self-instruction that enlists machine or especially prepared books to teach information. Fundamental of program instruction. Fundamentals of program instruction are given below. Stimulus and reaction, behavior and behavior repertories, reinforcement, the transfer of stimulus control, feedback, confirmation, prompting, generalization and discrimination. Gradual progression, successive approximation, diagnosis and remediation, retrogressive chain, learn, control, instruction. These are the fundamental program instructions. Major fundamental principle of program learning or instruction. Principle of small step, principle of active responding, principle of immediate reinforcement, principle of self pacing, principle of knowledge and progress of student testing. Characteristics of program learning material. Following are the main characteristics of program instructional learning or material. First is program instruction is individual and only person learn at a time. The learning material is divided into small units. Then small unit are sequenced in program material. Every phase is practically logically connected to its next phase. Next characteristics of program instruction is learner has to make active response. Information is immediately provided to student that their efforts is right or wrong. Thus, they receive the feedback. Student get the opportunity to learn at their own pace. Next characteristics of program instruction are program material fully verified and labeled. Specification of a student and turning behavior and feeling are done in it in this behavior level of language and understanding and simplification level of achievement, feedback and mental level are taken into account. Stimulus responses and reinforcement, these elements remain active in it. Next characteristics of program or instruction is it has a comparatively low error rate and fault rate. It means fault and error level is very low, or we can say बहुत कम error इसमें होती है. As feedback is provided immediately. Sorry. So true response are enforced to student, which help in effective teaching. Every response of a student provide him a new knowledge. While learning instructional material, students have more readiness and curiosity due to which they understand very rapidly. Instructional material is evaluated through the responses of a student and it is improved and modified according to that. Program instruction also organize that adding instruction to remove the weaknesses and difficulty of the students. Program instruction system is based on the principle of psychological learning. These are the characteristics of program of instructions. Now we will discuss purpose of program or instruction. To manage human learning under control condition. to promote learning at the pace of learner. To present the material in small pieces, to provide quicker uh, quick response uh, at, as we know, immediately feedback in given in instructional program. So it is provide quick response. Sorry. Now we will discuss types of instructional program. We have three types of instructional program: linear programming, branching uh, style programming, and computer assisted instruction. Uh, Types of PI: linear program, as you are watching in my PPT. They are in linear pattern. As you are watching in my PPT, 1, then arrow goes to 2, then arrows goes to 3, then arrows goes to 4, then arrows goes to 5, and etc. It means linear program. Branching program, one arrow go to 2, then one arrow also receive the test, and the 4 goes to arrow test, and fifth. So these are the branching program. Linear programming, in short form, we can say LP. L for linear, P for programming. In the LP, the learner response are controlled uh, controlled externally by the program sitting at a distant place. A linear program is called a straight line program. As you watch in my previous slide, the straight line program of instruction. The linear design model 1, as you are watching topic 1, then quiz, topic 2, quiz, then exam and pass, then module 2nd, then module 3rd. The learner start from initial behavior to the terminal behavior following a straight line. The student proceed from one frame to the next until the completed the program. Characteristics of LP. LP are exposed to small amount of information and proceed from one frame or one item or information to the next in an orderly fashion. The learner respond overtly So their correct responses can be rewarded and incorrect responses can be corrected. The learner are immediately informed about uh, whether or not their response is correct. The linear process at their own pace, self-pacing. Scope of linear program. Elementary education, generally there are single teacher in certain school and required to teach all the subject. Linear program will help teacher in such situation. Secondary education, in secondary education diversity, if interest and curriculum necessitate this method. Correspondence education for higher school student, self instruction could be made possible if the correspondence lesson are programmed. For a school teacher, when a new course is being introduced, program instruction will be equip them with connect a new method of teaching. University education, standard of higher education can be maintained, can be applied for health oriented course, healthcare professional education. Principle of linear program. Principle of small step. A linear can proceed from knowing very little about a subject to mastery over the subject by going through a program. Principle of confirmation. In this kind of reinforcement, to work on the program or to learn, a learner need not wait for a long time to proceed to next level. Principle of self-pacing. The learner can work each step as slowly or as quickly as he chosen. Student testing and evaluation. Linear LP provide a detailed record of the student, and it's is the basic for receiving the program. Types of linear program. Construct response. This is a Skinnerian type of learning process. The learner has to construct response while going through such format of program text. Multiple choice questions. According to Percy, select a response on each frame and is presented into discrimination frame sequence type of program. John Barlow designed this types conventional chaining design. John designed the conventional chaining. Her each frame is connected to the second frame, which becomes a part of stimulus of the third and soon down the line. Skip linear use uses skipping device for solving problem or of review and over review, where a bright student may skip the simple program. Criterion frame. This is used to direct the learner along the linear path according to their responses at those critical situations. The certain frames decide whether the student should go through a particular sequence or not. Rulage system. The contents are organized in term of rules first and then the examples. The rule is given a complete form and the complexes are in an incomplete form. A learner has to construct responses to complete the example. Edge rule system. This is opposite to the rule system. The contents are organized in terms of example and then the rules. The examples are given in complete form and rules in incomplete forms. These are the reference of program instruction. You should go through for further more detailed knowledge of program instruction. Now, time for MCQs. A filling the blanks instruction is a method of self instruction that analyst machines or especially spread or specially prepared books to teach information. Option A, programmed. Option B, linear. Option C, branching. Option D, all the above given choice. Correct answer is option A, programmed. A program instruction is a method of self instruction that enlist machines or especially prepared books to teach information. Next MCQs. Program instruction manage human filling the blanks under control condition. Option A, learning. Option B, teaching. Option C, class. Option D, student. Correct answer is learning. Option A. Program instruction manage human learning under control condition. Next MCQs. Program instruction promote learning at the piece of the filling the blanks. Option A, learner. Option B, teaching. Option C, class. Option D, teacher. Correct answer is option A, learner. Program instruction promote learning at the pace of learner. Next MCQs. The subject matter is broken down into small steps called filling the blanks. Of option A, frame. Option B, teacher. Option C, learner. And option D, steps. Correct answer is option A, frame. The subject matter is broken down into small steps. Next MCQs. Program instruction present the material in filling the blanks pieces. Option A, small. Option B, long. Option C, average. Option D, height. Correct answer is option A, small. Program instruction present the material in small pieces. Next MCQs. Continuous filling the blanks is possible by recording the student response. Option A, evaluation. Option B, frame. Option C, measurement. Option D, assessment. Correct answer is option A, evaluation. Continuous evaluation is possible by recording the student response. Next MCQs. The filling the blanks underlying program instruction are defined explicitly and in operational term. Option A, objectives. Option B, teaching. Option C, learning. Option D, teacher. Correct answer is option A, objective. The objective underlying program instructions are defined explicitly and in operational term. Next MCQs. In filling the blanks, the contents are organized in terms of rules first and then. The example, option A, rule system, option B, E, egg rule system, option C, skip linear, option D, criterion. Correct answer is option A, rulage system. In rulage, the content are organized in terms of rules first and then example. In program instruction, frequent response of filling the blanks is required. Option A, student, option B, teacher, option C, class, option D, school. Correct answer is option A, student. In program instruction, frequent response of the student is required. Next MCQs. In filling the blanks, features, there is an immediate confirmation of the right answer or correction of wrong answer given by the learners. Option A, self correcting. Option B, group correcting. Option C, panel correcting. Option D, class correcting. The correct answer is option A, self-correcting. In self-correcting features, there is an immediate confirmation of the right answer or correction of wrong answer given by the learner. These are your MCQs. Thank you, student. You listen me. I will revise all the topic what we will cover in our instructional program. We saw the meaning of instructional program. The first teaching machine was invented by L. Peirce in 1920. Then Skinner in the 1950 introduced a concept of teaching machine. Then we discuss meaning and definition of program instruction. B.F. Skinner has defined the concept as the science of learning and art of learning. It is termed as the instructional technology, which is based on psychological principle of learning. Then we see the fundamental of program instruction, and we saw the stimulus and reaction, behavior and behavior repertories, reinforcement, the transfer of stimulus, control, feedback, confirmation, promoting, generalization and discrimination, gradual progressiveness and successive approximation, diagnose in remediation, regressive chain, and learner and control instruction. We discuss in this slide. Then we see the major fundamental principle of program learning, and we discuss principle of small step, principle of active responding, principle of immediate reinforcement, principle of self-pacing, principle of knowledge and progress of student learning. Then we discuss the characteristics of program learning material, and we saw main characteristics of program instructions. Then we saw the purpose of program instruction, the main human hub, to manage human learning under control condition, the main purpose of the instructional program, to promote learning at the pace of the learner, to present material in small pieces, to promote quick responses. Then we see types, and we see three types: linear program, branches style program, and computer assisted program. Then we see the characteristics and types of linear program, scope of LP, and we see scope in elementary education and secondary education, and for higher education student, for school teacher, university education, or principle of LP. Then and the student testing and evaluation, the types of LP. At the last, we see the references, and the last we solve the MCQs. Thank you, student. Have a good day.